closed circuit type apparatus, that is closed circuit type apparatus BG174. This is Dragonmech instrument. This model is BG174. This is self-contained oxygen breathing, compressed oxygen breathing apparatus. So this main specification of this apparatus is basically the main specification of this apparatus basically is it's having the total safe working hours in this apparatus is 4 hours in hard work. Okay, the cylinder capacity, since it is a self-contained research having the from the it supply the oxygen, it supply from the oxygen from the cylinder. So this cylinder capacity in empty is 2 liter. When it is full charge in 200 bar pressure, it's available to 400 liter of oxygen. So this another main specification is this capacity. The capacity of this breathing bag is having 6 liter, and the automatic this main function of this apparatus is your long govern demand valve. It's automatically open as per the requirement of the wearer. So when it is fully charged, when this apparatus is fully charged, the total weight of this apparatus is 12.8 kilograms. So the main parts, the main components, we will discuss about the main components of this apparatus. So first we have to come this. This is the oxygen cylinder. From the bottom side, you can see, able to see, this is the oxygen cylinder, and this is the your cylinder valve. This is cylinder valve. When this is connected with this pressure tube. This is having the pressure tube, and this is pressure valve. And when we open this pressure, the cylinder pressure, it will automatically flux out. It will automatically show this pressure of this in the pressure gauge. It will show you the cylinder pressure. What is the cylinder pressure? Then this is the having the pressure reducing valve. This one is the pressure reducing valve. It reduces the pressure from the high pressure to the working pressure, that is 4 kg centimeter square. It reduces this pressure so that it's the normal dosage flow, that is 1.5 liter oxygen is supplied to the circuit. And this is having the pre-fluxing device. This is having the pre-fluxing device. It's what happened when the moment we open this cylinder, it flux out 7 liter of oxygen throughout the circuit to clean this circuit path, evacuate this nitrogen which is accumulated earlier. So this is the pre-fluxing device. This one the pre-fluxing device in the circuit, and it's come out. It will fluxing out this circuit, and it will clean the circuit. Then next we come to the components is your pressure reducing valve. Then it is coming to the bypass valve. This another having, this is the another circuit. It is having the bypass valve. When the long open demand valve is working, that time more oxygen we require, the more oxygen, the wearer is required the more oxygen. When it is suppose somebody is running or lifting something, then it is doing the hard work, then the wearer required more oxygen, then it will supply directly. This line is having this line, it is directly supplied to the long governed valve to more oxygen for the wearer as per the his requirement. Then next is your breathing bag. This is coming to the breathing bag. This bag is having 6 liter capacity. It's accumulate this oxygen in the breathing bag. Actually, this bag it is accumulate, the oxygen is accumulating. From the breathing bag, this is the inhalation and exhalation tubes are connected. This from the breathing bag, it is coming to this long demand valve. And from here, then it is coming. Then this is your exhalation. There is an exhalation valve, and this is the inhalation valve, and this is the inhalation tube, and this is having the saliva trap. This saliva, whatever the saliva is coming out in the circuit, it is getting trapped in this saliva trap. And from here, it is coming to this mouthpiece. This is the mouthpiece, face piece. I mean, this is face piece. This face piece has to be wear, and it is with the safety goggles, and it is to be connected with this. The face marks is connected with this system by this circuit. Then again, it is when exhale. This is the exhalation pipe, and this is the exhalation valve. Okay, and from the valve it is coming to this regenerator cartridge. It is having the regenerator, and this is the cartridge. It is called the regenerator cartridge. It is having soda lime which absorb the carbon dioxide, and it is the revenue of it is this time the oxygen, and it is carbon dioxide is being trapped, getting trapped in this regenerator. It is trapped in this country, and this oxygen is again it is coming to the this breathing bag. This is basically this is a closed circuit type apparatus, hence this is the system of the apparatus. And when this main features of this apparatus are when it is required, suppose where is required more oxygen, it is the automatically this demand valve will open, and similarly this pre-flushing device is having the automatically the pre-flushing will it will clean the circuit. And moreover, this the pressure reducing valve, which is having the pressure reducing valve, when the high pressure to the this working pressure, that is 1.5 liter of oxygen is supplied, it will automatically done. And this is the having this is the having the this the here this cover of the instrument, and BG174, it is showing the BG174 and
instrument BG4 not.
Yeah, this is the BG174, and this is regarding the this your total BG174 system.